In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to accept donations on Wix. By the end, you'll have a working donation form on your Wix site connected to payment methods designed to match your brand and ready to publish. Start on your Wix dashboard. From the left sidebar, open the Apps section. In the search bar, type Wix Donations, then select it and choose Add to Site. This installs Wix's official donations tool, which is optimized for simple setup and reliable payment processing. Once the app is added, go to your site editor and click the donation form that appears on your page. This is where you'll customize how supporters give. Set your suggested donation amounts to make choices effortless, for example, 100, 500, or 1000 in your local currency. Keep the list short and clear, and include a custom amount option so donors can give exactly what they want. Add a campaign name that tells people what they're supporting, such as Support Our Work, or the title of a specific initiative. Then review the donor detail fields like name and email. These help you send receipts and thank you messages and keep basic records for your organization. Keep the form concise to reduce friction while collecting the information you truly need. Next, connect how you'll receive funds. In your site's settings, open Accept Payments. Choose the providers that work best for you, such as PayPal or Stripe, and turn on any local options available in your region. Each provider has its own account setup and verification, so follow the prompts you see on screen. Selecting more than one option can help donors use the method they prefer, but make sure the ones you enable are supported where you operate. With the mechanics in place, refine the look and feel. Update the button text to something action-oriented like Donate Now so it's unmistakable. Match the colors and fonts to your brand for a cohesive experience across your site. Consider adding a short, sincere message near the form, something like, "Your support helps us continue our mission," to reinforce the impact of every contribution. Clear design and language can significantly improve completion rates. When everything is set, publish your changes so the donation page goes live. After publishing, your visitors will be able to contribute using the options you enabled, and their details will flow into your Wix dashboard for easy tracking. That's it. You've installed Wix Donations, customized the form, connected payments, polished the design, and published your site so you can start accepting donations with confidence.